Over 30% of Americans are sleep deprived. Sleeping less than 6 hours might feel normal, but it can seriously affect your body in ways you may not notice. Staying up late and cutting your sleep short can easily become a daily habit over time. When you regularly sleep for only a few hours, your body doesn't get enough time to fully recover. You may wake up feeling tired and unrefreshed, even after spending hours in bed. Your energy levels can feel low right from the beginning of your day. Your brain may not function at full capacity, making it harder to focus or think clearly. This lack of sleep can start affecting your performance in everyday tasks. Next, let's take a closer look at what happens inside your brain when you don't get enough sleep. If you don't get enough sleep, your brain activity begins to slow down, especially in areas responsible for focus and decision making. This can make it harder to concentrate, causing even simple tasks to feel more difficult than usual. Sleep is essential for memory, and without enough of it, your ability to remember information can weaken. Your reaction time may also slow down, making you less alert in everyday situations. At the same time, your brain can feel overwhelmed, making it harder to process information clearly. Lack of sleep can also affect your mood, making you more irritable or emotionally sensitive. Overall, your brain becomes less efficient, affecting how you think, react, and feel throughout the day. Next, let's explore how lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones and body balance. When you don't get enough sleep, your body's hormone system can become unbalanced. Sleep deprivation can increase hunger hormones, making you feel more hungry than usual. This often leads to stronger cravings for unhealthy and high-calorie foods. At the same time, the hormone that signals fullness can decrease, making it harder to feel satisfied after eating. Lack of sleep can also increase stress hormones, which may affect both your body and mind. This can make you feel more anxious, tense, or emotionally unstable throughout the day. Overall, your body's natural balance becomes disrupted, affecting multiple systems at once. Next, let's see how sleeping less than 6 hours can weaken your immune system. Sleeping less than 6 hours can weaken your immune system, making it harder for your body to defend itself. Your body may respond more slowly to viruses and bacteria when you are not well rested. As a result, you may get sick more easily compared to when you are properly rested. Even when you do get sick, your body may take longer to recover. Over time, this can lead to more frequent illnesses and reduced overall health. Your body's natural defense system becomes less effective at protecting you. Low energy and poor immunity often go hand in hand when your body lacks proper sleep. Next, let's explore how lack of sleep can also lead to unexpected weight gain. When you don't get enough sleep, your body may signal increased hunger more frequently. You may find yourself eating more often, especially late at night when your body should be resting. Lack of sleep can increase cravings for high-calorie and unhealthy foods. At the same time, your metabolism may slow down, making it harder for your body to burn calories efficiently. This combination can lead to increased fat storage over time. Over time, these changes may lead to noticeable weight gain if the pattern continues. Low energy from lack of sleep can also reduce your physical activity, adding to the problem. Next, let's explore how not getting enough sleep can affect your mental health and emotions. Not getting enough sleep can have a direct impact on your mood, often making you feel lower than usual. You may become more easily irritated, even by small and everyday situations. Your stress levels can also rise, making it harder to stay calm and balanced. Over time, this can lead to feelings of anxiety and emotional discomfort. Your emotions may become less stable, changing quickly without clear reasons. You may also feel less motivated to do things you would normally handle easily. All of this adds up to mental fatigue, making your day feel more difficult than it should. Next, let's look at what can happen if this pattern continues over a long period of time. When you consistently sleep less than 6 hours, the effects can build up over time. You may start to experience ongoing fatigue that does not go away with short rest. Your ability to focus and think clearly may continue to decline the longer this pattern lasts. Over time, lack of sleep may increase the risk of various health problems. It can begin to affect your productivity, performance, and overall quality of life. In some cases, this may lead to burnout, where both your mind and body feel completely drained. Your body may start giving warning signs that it needs proper rest and recovery. Next, let's look at simple ways to improve your sleep and restore your energy. One of the best ways to improve your sleep is by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Try to reduce screen time before bed, as blue light can keep your brain active. Creating a calm and comfortable sleep environment can help your body relax more easily. Avoid consuming caffeine late in the day so it does not interfere with your sleep. Regular physical activity can help improve your sleep quality over time. Maintaining a consistent daily routine helps your body follow a natural sleep rhythm. With these habits, you can start getting deeper and more refreshing sleep. Next, let's quickly summarize what you need to remember about healthy sleep. Getting enough sleep is one of the best things you can do for your long-term health and well-being. When you prioritize rest, you wake up ready to take on the day with focus and energy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. How many hours did you sleep last night? Let us know in the comments below.